Hi guys, in this module we are going to learn some command uses and what is the difference in a single quotes and double quotes, where is the different scenario we should use them, and how to escape sequences in Windows PowerShell. And I'm going to explain command history and different type of paths as well, like literal path and normal path. And also we will discuss a very nice feature of the PowerShell, that is a transcript. So let's begin. As we already talked about quotes, and we can use single quotes and double quotes anyway, and I showed you already in my previous videos where both quotes work with the program files. But if any file and folder name using a single quotes are mentioned, then we need to use a double quotes for a PowerShell. Let me give you an example. I'm making a directory with my name where I'm using a single quotes between the directory name. So make this directory, I need to cover this name with the double quotes. Yeah, see, now the directory has been created. But if I'm using a double quotes inside the text, like say hello in a quotes, if I hit enter here, you can see say and hello is a print in a different lines. But I want to see both in the same lines. I need to cover this 10 sentence with the single quotes. Yeah, see here. So it's a vice versa. If you are using a double quotes in the sentence, you need to cover with the single quotes, and if you are using a single quote between the name, you need to cover with the double quotes. Let's talking about the escaping or a backkey. As a PowerShell sees space as a special character. Yes, we can use quotes, but there is a one more way. What's that? Like in a house we have a multiple ways to enter or exit. Same in a PowerShell we can do the same thing in a multiple ways. This time we are going to use the back key. Just right under the escape button, let me type it for you. Dir hyphen recurse and then back key. Just hit enter here. Now it, you can see there is a two ankle brackets. It's mean the command is not over yet. You can see in a PowerShell showing two ankle brackets. It means you need to complete your PowerShell command first, then it will execute. So let's type here and complete this command. Hyphen filter and quotes star dot dll. Yeah, try to avoid using the txt file because sometimes we do not have a proper permission to see the dll text files. So I'm using the dll files. To stop this, I need to press a control C, otherwise just keep running for a few minutes. So you can see here the back key took away the meaning of space. It takes me to the next line and asks me to complete my commands. Hope you understand my point here. The next important thing we are going to discuss is star. How does star work? If I type what is the uses of star, what is the meaning of star in a PowerShell? If I type dir star, it means dir hyphen path. See, if I type just dir star, it's showing me the direct list of the directories. And if I'm using dir hyphen path star, it's providing me the same result. Means the path is a parameter and star is the value of it. This means whenever you write dir, it takes path default. Whenever you type a dir star, it will take a path default. It is the first command take by a PowerShell. Another thing is called like a literal path. As its name, the literal means you need to provide the exact path, and it is not going to using a star and a question mark. See, it does not exist. Why? Here is the difference between the literal path and a path. The literal path does not treat star and question mark as a wildcard or pacemaker. See, if you can see here, there is no result. But if you are going to work with the Active Directory registry environment, literal path is going to help you more there rather than in a normal, you can say, a file system commands. The next important thing we are going to discuss is a transcript. Sometimes we type so many commands in PowerShell and keep repeating those commands. At some point we realize how many times we run the same command and how many commands we executed, and we could not recall or remember. But PowerShell provides us a very beautiful feature to avoid this problem, that is a transcript. Let me type a command for you. Transcript start transcript start hyphen transcript, and then provide the path where you want to save this transcript. Yeah. If you are just typing here the translog, it will save in a direct root directory. Now I am typing some random commands like dir, cls, and get event log security. This is a very nice feature. If I want to see only the latest 20 log entries, I can type the newest 20s. See, the T is missing. No, one more thing. There is one more mistake here. The C is also missing in a security. And let's type here. C here. So every time I made a mistake, it will save in a translog. Let's stop the transcript here. Let me open a translog for you, and suppose if you are forget about where have you saved your translog.txt, at the end it will provide you the complete path. It's saved in a C colon translog, like in a root side. So let's open this translog.txt. See here, there's a every required information is available, which is a username and which command I have run. First I run a dir, then I run a cls, then I run a get event like security. So every time I run, and the errors are also captured in this log. So it's really going to help you a lot if you're compiling and running and just debugging your scripts. So in this module, which topic we have covered? We have covered some tips and tricks, how we can use a single quotes and double quotes and escaping, and how we can see a command history by a transcript, and what is the difference between a path and a literal path, and also how we can use a transcript in a different way. So I hope you have liked my video. If please share it, like it, and subscribe it. And if any feedback, positive and negative, please comment us so we can improve ourselves. Thank you so much for your time.